Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. So in this video, we're going to be explaining the product category error message that's found on the payment gateway. So if you've watched the other credits payment gateway video, that just explains these quite briefly. They're quite simple. But this is the product category error message. Now, this comes into play actually on the cart itself. And depending on which products you got in the cart, so I'll show you quickly here. We've got this checkout that was from previous. So if I actually just go to the cart, you can see we've got a product in the cart and this is a credit-based product. Now if we go back to the shop and say we wanted to add a currency-based product to the cart, there's actually a check in place because we can't mix the cart values. We can't mix credit-based products and currency-based products in the same cart. So you can see there's a message here and then an option to view the cart. So you can only check out using credits or currency. Please review your cart. Now, if you want to change this message, this is the message that's here, the product category error message. So you can basically customize this message. And then if we go back to the shop, we've got the option here to view the cart. And then we can decide if we want to continue with this purchase or remove it from the cart. Now in some situations that may not be ideal. You may want the customer to save the cart. They may have a lot of items in the cart, and if they need to purchase credits, for example, say they've got a lower credit balance than the items in the cart, they obviously may need to top up the credits. So we do have a recommended plugin that we can use to kind of overcome this, which I'll talk about in a separate video, but it basically lets us save the carts so that if we need to purchase more credits while we have credit-based products in the cart, then we can do so without actually losing that cart. This also works both ways. So if I remove this from the cart, go back to the shop, and then try and purchase the currency-based product. This is the product that's actually going to give us the credits. We go and then try and purchase a credit-based product at the same time. We're going to again get this message and we can go view the cart and decide what we want to do. And again, as I said, if you install the saved cart plugin, which I'll link to in a separate video, then we can obviously decide if we want to keep those carts active as well. Now we are actively looking for a solution to kind of work around this problem of not being able to mix the products in the carts. And depending on the route we take, it may involve some sort of dynamic coupon or some... If we can adjust the payment gateway, we'll do that. But for now, we highly recommend just using the saved cart plugin if you need to go that route. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see just to keep reminding you. And also if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.